Yes.
Okay, so welcome to physics class. Now we are going to perform a very important practical. Today we are going to find out the frequency of the AC source. AC circuit, this is AC source, ठीक है? AC source for the sonometer. This is our sonometer. With the help of this sonometer, we are going to find out the frequency of the given source. But how can we find out the frequency? Okay, so we know very well the formula for frequency in class 11th we have already learned that. ठीक है ना? What was the formula? As according to class 9th we have already learned that the velocity equal to nu into lambda. What was the velocity? Velocity of the wave. It was the velocity of wave. This is the frequency of the wave, and this was the wavelength of the wave. Be careful here. Okay, wavelength of the wave. Now our target to find out their frequency. So what will be the formula for frequency? Frequency is equal to velocity upon wavelength. Okay, velocity upon wavelength. Do you know what is the formula for velocity? So velocity is equal to, I know. What was the formula for velocity? Velocity equal to T by mu. Do you know? T is the tension of the thread and mu is the frequency. Suppose that there is one thread it is just tied in last chapter, wave and oscillations. You have learned that the standing wave. Do you know? Yes. Suppose that there was the one thread having length L. Okay. Suppose that there was one thread having length L, then how can you perform the standing wave in this thread? So it is the bound area. This was the also bound area. So in bound area you will be perform the first is it will be bound. It will be make the node, and there is also will be made node, and in between two node, one antinode will be formed. So this is the single first standing wave diagram. It was the first standing wave diagram. And what was the formula for the velocity of wave in a thread? It was the under root T by mu, where T is the tension in thread, and mu is the length, mass per unit length. Mu was the mass per unit length, and T was the tension in this particular thread. Okay, suppose that we want to make it is the length is L. Okay, for the first frequency, this is the which part of the one wavelength. There are the one wavelength like that, and for standing wave this is the complete one wavelength. This length is lambda. So what is the length of this part? Lambda by 2 is the correct answer. Not able to understand? Okay, this is only single loop. So it is the in a lambda form. This L will be equal to the lambda by 2. L will be equal to lambda by 2. Okay, very good. So what is the value of lambda? So lambda is equal to, I think, 2L. Lambda equal to 2L. Okay, suppose that this is equation number 2, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 0. Okay, keep all this value, equation number 1 and 2 in given formula. So you will be get the value of the frequency. So what will be the formula for frequency? So frequency equal to V. In front of V, we will come to under root T by mu by lambda. So value of the lambda is 1 upon 2L. But it is a formula for the frequency, but this formula will not valid for this sonometer. Why not? Because be careful here. This is the node point. This is the node point. This is also node point. This is also node point. In between two nodes, because we are generating the frequency from this particular point. Be careful here. We are going to generate the frequency from this particular point. So this will be the node. It is the bound area. This is also node. It is fulcrum, and there is a node will be performed. Okay. This will be also node. So between two node one antinode, and between two node one antinode. So what will be their diagram? It is secondary wave will be formed like that. Okay. One complete cycle. Yes, this is the lambda. Complete length L. L will be equal to the lambda. L will be equal to lambda. So in place of the 2L, what will become in this diagram? Frequency equal to 1 upon L under root T by mu. This formula will be used. This is very important because be careful here. Formula was the frequency. It is this formula for the primary frequency, first fundamental frequency. This formula for the first fundamental frequency nu1, and this formula for the secondary. ठीक है? तो nu1 के लिए 1 upon 2L under root T by mu. मगर आपकी कॉपी में ये फार्मूला नहीं दिया है. ये बच्चों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है सर, ये फार्मूला क्यों नहीं दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो परफॉर्म होगा, हम जो फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालेंगे, दिस वाज नॉट द प्राइमरी, इट इज सेकेंडरी फ्रीक्वेंसी हम परफॉर्म करेंगे यहाँ पे. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये नोड बनाएगा और हम ये फार्मूला यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालने के लिए, ना कि ये फार्मूला. ठीक है ना, ये फार्मूला हम यूज करेंगे, ध्यान में रहे। अब इस फार्मूले में क्या चीज़ है जो आपको पता नहीं है, जैसे T इज द टेंशन, सो बी केयरफुल हियर, कम टू हियर, साइड साइड दिस साइड, दिस इज द टेंशन, कम टू दिस साइड। So tension is performed by this particular weight. One weight is the 500 gram. Be careful here. One weight is the 500 gram. So you may be the count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think it is the near about 8 kg. Sorry, 8 means half of the 8 will be the 4 kg. 4 kg means the 40 Newton. Tension will be the 40 Newton. Tension will be 40 Newton. One thing is very clear. Please write down these particular things. So tension of the thread is the 40 Newton. And second thing is very important. So what will be the mu? Mu is the mass per unit length. Mass per unit length of this particular wire. Okay? Mass per unit length of this wire. So we have already calculated that the 1 meter length of this wire having the 0.9 gram. Am I right? Okay, so please note down. Mass per unit length of this wire. Note down. The 1 meter wire having the mass 0.9 gram. 1 meter of this wire having 0.9 gram. Okay, so I have given you already the T and value of mu. Both of the data I have given to you.
Yes.
And one thing is very important. What is the value of L? We are going to find out value of L, where we form the second standing frequency. Second standing frequency. Now let's start. Please give me some place, beta. Okay, so this is our sonometer. Be careful here, all of you. This is our sonometer. This is a wire where we generate the standing frequency. I mean standing wave. There we will perform the standing wave. Okay, and this is the source of the wave. This means the AC source. It will be generate the AC. Okay, now we will start. It's already start. Now you can hear and you can see that this is the driver. First of all, we keep this driver, and you know it is very heavy driver. There is not possibility to you just take out from this driver from over this particular wire. It is not possible to the generally in simple way by the wind of the fan and anything else. You are not able to the remove this driver from this wire over this wire. It is not possible in general way. ठीक है ना, आप इसको सिंपली आसान तरीके से इसको यहाँ से हटा नहीं सकते, आप कहीं भी रखोगे ये स्टेबल रहेगा, कहीं भी रखो ये स्टेबल रहेगा, ठीक है ना, ठीक है। अब हम अगर इसमें स्टैंडिंग वेव बनाते हैं जैसा कि हमने आपको दिखाया था, तो स्टैंडिंग वेव आपको पता है इट इज फुल ऑफ द एनर्जी, कंप्लीट एनर्जी होती है, इसमें कन्वर्जन होता है किसमें, काइनेटिक एनर्जी कन्वर्ट इनटू पोटेंशियल एंड पोटेंशियल कन्वर्ट टू द काइनेटिक।
हाँ है, चलिए।
ओके, सो नाउ यू आर वेरी इजीली सी दैट नाउ सिस्टम इज रेडी फॉर द रेजोनेंस केस। You can see that the amplitude is maximum. Now you are not able to, I think so, you are not able to this driver put out over this particular wire anywhere when we put out. Okay.
मतलब टंगिया उसका ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया है, टांग उसकी ज़्यादा लंबी हो गई है।
टिकेगा ही नहीं, हवा नहीं, कहीं पर भी रखोगे नहीं टिकेगा, कहीं भी नहीं, कुछ भी रखो,
कुछ भी हो गया वो।
देखो ये कंडीशन, कहीं भी रखोगे ये स्टेबल नहीं होगा। बंद भी चलेगा,
पेपर से मिल गया ना सर, वो भारी
कागज पूरा रोक दो इसको, देखो सही है, चलो कहीं पर भी रखोगे ये नहीं आएगा। चलो चेक कर लो, ये दोनों लेंथ आप निकाल लो इसमें से, ये सही है, असली ड्राइवर यही रहेगा, दिख रहा है ना, ऐसा करो ना उसको,
देखो एकदम घूमता रहेगा रिंग में।
बंद करके मोबाइल
सही है। वीडियो बना लिए सर,
मज़ा आ रहा है।
ठीक है ना। ये दोनों लेंथ आपको मेजरमेंट करना होगा। दिस इज द एल, ओके, एंड ये जो वेव नोड एंटी नोड नोड, ठीक है ना, ये वेव यहाँ जनरेट हो रही है, स्टैंडिंग वेव, ठीक है ना, जो यहाँ पर दिखा है। अच्छा कोई मुझे ये बताए कि ये बार बार ये बीच में आने की कोशिश क्यों कर रहा है? देखो इसको इधर कर दो, रुको, चलने दो। या तो उस कॉर्नर पर जाने की कोशिश करेगा या इधर आएगा वो, चलने दो। देखो दिख रहा है, इधर क्यों आने की कोशिश कर रहा है? क्योंकि नोड पर एम्पलीट्यूड मिनिमम होता है, नोड पर एम्पलीट्यूड मिनिमम होता है और यहाँ पर ज़्यादा होगा, मैक्सिमम होगा। तो यहाँ पर ज़्यादा वाइब्रेशन है, यहाँ पर कम होगा, यहाँ भी कम होगा और यहाँ भी कम होगा, है ना। ठीक है, नोट डाउन कीजिए। और ये आपका जबरदस्त प्रैक्टिकल हुआ, सबसे शानदार प्रैक्टिकल यही है, ठीक है ना।
कार्तिक बोलो। दिन भर
चलिए चपन कीजिए, कीजिए इसको।
सर डालने लायक वीडियो नहीं आया।
आप जान रहे हैं।
मेरा
इसको कट